Okay, Algebra 2 students, note the red at the top of this slide that says open your packet. These video notes go with a note sheet that's already in your packet, which will make it a lot easier for you to take notes. So make sure you are working in your packet right now. Alright, so today we're going to learn about operations and simplifying expressions with E. This is the first time we've seen E, and E is a number. It's an irrational number. It's 2.718, and it actually keeps on going. It was discovered by Euler, and it is the base of a natural log. Right now that means nothing to you because we haven't even learned about logs, but we will. Before we can work with E, we need to know how to do a few things with it. So, E is a number. We're going to talk about how to simplify expressions and also how to use your calculator to turn it into a number. So first we start with 2E plus 3E. Just like pre-algebra combining like terms, the answer here is 5E. 5E minus 8E is negative 3E. You can have E that looks like a quantity. These are being added. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 2E. Easy enough. Okay, so that's 1, 2, and 3. Notice that I skipped 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to have you do those tonight for your video notes. Okay, so now we come down here to simplify. Remember your rules. When we multiply like bases, we add the exponents. So this is e to the 4x, so 3x plus 1x. I can write that out for you. 3x plus x. Multiplying like bases, you add the exponents. Same thing here, when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. E to the negative 5x plus x is e to the negative 4x. A reminder that all exponents have to be written as positive exponents. So this is 1 over e to the 4x. Our rule for power to a power, you multiply. This would be e to the 2x. Okay, same thing here. Power to a power, you multiply. E to the 2x. So all the rules for exponents, addition, subtraction, combining like terms, the same. Here, when you divide like bases, you subtract the exponents, so the bases are the same. So this would be e to the 2 minus x. We can't do anything else there unless we know what x is, so we'll have to stop there. Again, dividing like bases, we subtract the exponent. So this would be 2 to the e minus x. Same thing. We don't know what x is, so we would have to stop there. All right. Notice that I have skipped the middle section of your worksheet again. I want you to finish that for your video examples tonight. Now check this out. We're going to look at E on the calculator. Let's actually turn these into numbers. So if we have e to the 3rd power, okay, if you look at your calculator over here on the right, okay, you can see in yellow that I've circled 2 buttons for you. Okay, that's how we are going to evaluate E. So you have to use the 2nd button, and then above ln is e to the x, or you can use the e above the division sign. Okay, so if I use either one of those and I type in e to the 3rd power, I get an answer when rounded to 3 decimal places would be 20.086. Okay, so all I did was type in e to the 3rd. Same thing I could do with e to the negative 1/2. That would give me about 0.607. So make sure you practice both of those with your calculator and pushing all of the buttons. Okay, so what do you do for video examples? Okay, finish this note sheet. Okay, so I did 1 through 3. You need to do 4 through 6. I did 7 through 12. You need to do 13 through 18. So make sure all of the examples on this note sheet are finished. Thanks for watching my video. See you tomorrow.